Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to mute story in your Instagram account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Instagram account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. You can see stories at the top. You can choose any of the story to mute that is bothering you. Here I will be choosing the first one. Now at the top right corner you will be seeing that three dots. Tap on that. Now you will be seeing different options. Tap on the option mute. Now tap on the option mute story. In this way, you can easily mute the story in your Instagram account if your friend's story is bothering you. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.